Hi, my name is Bob Long and I'm the founder of EnergiVault and the inventor of the EnergiVault battery technology. Energy storage has become the holy grail very quickly of the renewable energy industry.
Ultimately what the networks want, they want to flatten the curve, and the only way you can do that is with storage.
The global demand for energy storage is only ever increasing, and we're going to take full advantage of that.
And if your predominant load is cooling of one form or another, whether it be air conditioning, whether it be process chilling or whatever, the only way you can do that efficiently is with a cold storage device such as EnergiVault.
EnergiVault is a retrofittable bolt-on product to existing cooling systems. Essentially, it's a big tank with a charger, which is an organic heat exchanger in itself.
By using artificial intelligence and digital controls, the EnergiVault system is in control of when it charges and makes sure that any charging or discharging is efficient and reliable.
It's a fantastic, game-changing innovation.
The main problem with thermal energy storage has been the charging and discharge rates of the battery. The EnergiVault solves that problem in a dramatic and flexible way.
And they do this by coating ice spheres in a little nanotech wrapper which stops big ice blocks building up.
The EnergiVault seen here contains 400 litres of crystalline ice with particles of less than 1/10 of a millimetre each.
The benefit of this is you get surface area, the same miracle of surface area that allows us to exchange gases efficiently in our lungs, the same surface area that allows us to absorb nutrients in our guts.
Meaning that we can discharge the contents of the battery extremely fast from a small battery to support incredibly large cooling loads.
This increase in surface area, increase in efficiency, is going to be around 60%. Increase in efficiency of 60% means decrease in costs of around 60%.
Supporting cooling loads otherwise not supportable.
So you can charge EnergiVault up, huge capacity, and it can run without being plugged into an external power supply.
And it's seamless, and this of course has never ever been a feature of any banking system up until this day.
The product's ready for commercial launch.
We feel that we have an extremely robust patent and a very exciting technology.
In today's money, around about $150 billion worth of chiller equipment in the marketplace. There are many different reasons why you would use EnergiVault and apply it to an existing system. And the scale of the existing chiller market out there is so vast. There are many applications where EnergiVault is particularly attractive.
In places like Dubai, Jordan, Saudi Arabia, when you're burning fossil fuels to create the energy to create cold, now you don't have to do that. You can reduce your energy costs by 80% by utilising an EnergiVault. They've developed this fantastic AI system that takes in all the factors: capacity of the plant, load factor of the plant, how many people are in the hotel, how many people are going to come to the hotel, weather forecast, wind forecast, solar forecast, and takes in all this and gives the optimum times to buy power.
You can choose when to purchase your power to make it cheap and to make it low carbon.
Retrofittable to all industrial cooling systems all around the world.
Using off-the-shelf components means that we can scale quickly and easily into global markets using local supply chains and local service personnel.
We are extremely confident that we have pieces of equipment operating all over the world producing the raw material. The EnergiVault is a valuable use of this raw material.
There's a long cold food chain. That whole cold chain requires refrigeration all along the way.
And we already have customers talking to us in the UK and other organisations in countries such as Australia, the UAE and America wanting to engage in discussions with us about using the EnergiVault system.
The EnergiVault solution is reliable, offers high returns and will be a great step towards the net zero future.
Cooling at the moment accounts for 20% of global emissions. Industrial cooling is around 50% of that. So the EnergiVault addresses 10% of global emissions, and based on their figures, they can reduce those emissions by 80% through the surface area, the capacity, the AI. So, I mean, really, the size of the market is about the same as solar PV.
I feel very privileged for the opportunity to work with EnergiVault on this. After a long career of developing energy storage and smart control technologies, I feel like EnergiVault can really make a difference on a global scale.
All the groundwork has been done. We're now ready to prove our technologies to the marketplace and then to make a huge impact on the global energy storage market.
We're focused on delivering that elusive bulk energy storage at a low cost that will allow renewable energy to become more and more prevalent.